uh, automation anytime, business theory, and process. As explained in a previous recording about various things, uh, expressed consent is ideally is ideal in any form, way, or fashion, especially in the modern age. Now, you can use the old ways revolving around deceased parents, deceased grandparents, deceased relatives, funneling money through various channels, uh, back in the napkin agreements that are later, uh, you know, uh, noted somewhere for whatever reasons, things of that sort. But that's a little bit more on the legalistic side of things. From a entrepreneurship understanding of things, business process, a portion as previously explained, internet technology and theory is immediately important. So let's say you have a small company forming various things, and a portion of the process could be extremely improved depending on the volume of sales, either online or offline, by forming a robotics process. So for example, let me give you a simple example. Let's say you're making widgets, whatever widgets they are, like a stamp or a seal or kind of different kinds of glasses. You don't know exactly how to. You don't scale as you haven't scaled as of yet because it's laborious to make every single widget. This is where robotics, a low-level archaic version of robotics, would come into play. So let's say it's like a piece of artwork. So let's say this lens is colored a certain color. What you would do is you make like a cork of the various colors, right? And let's say you want 3 colors on like a glove or a seal. Well, you make a cork. You put ink in one ink right here. Boom, stamp on a lens or whatever. Another cork with a seal or whatever, a different color of ink. Boom, stamp. Boom, boom, and another cork. Boom, stamp. Now you can do that manually. Have a human do that. Over time, basically, if you wanted to use a robotics process, you can make automation anytime pending inventions can make a robotic process to do that automagically. So these are the kinds of things that we can conduct for you depending on the volume and scale. Thanks for listening.